What is UI design? In simple words, UI, user interface, design is the process designers must use to build proper and suitable interfaces in software or computerized devices. The term, user experience, is used to describe the creation of a digital product's or service's front end or the part of the product that the user sees and uses. The goal of user interface design is to create an interface that is both aesthetically pleasing and practical. A well-designed user interface, UI, will be aesthetically pleasing and simple to use, with a well-thought-out structure that facilitates navigation and quick completion of tasks. Also, it needs to be created with the intended audience in mind, consistent across several sites and devices, and accessible in various ways. To build user interfaces, UI designers employ wireframing, prototyping, and user testing methods. If you have enjoyed the video so far, we would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Let's know if you want more videos like this by hitting the like button. Now back to the video. Formats for user interface design. Depending on the nature of the service or product being developed, UI design can take a number of distinct forms. It's not uncommon to see the following layouts. Web UI design. Web UI design. This is the process of conceptualizing, designing, and prototyping a website's user interface. Web UI designers are responsible for the visual design of a website's interface, including the layout, navigation, and interactive components, such as buttons and forms. Mobile UI design. Mobile UI design. This refers to the practice of creating interfaces for mobile applications. When planning the structure and features of a mobile app, UI designers must take into account the device's smaller screen size and touch-based interaction. Desktop UI design. Desktop UI design, in the context of computer software, refers to the process of creating user interfaces for programs that run on a personal computer. Designers of desktop user interfaces are responsible for the visual design of the interface, including the layout, menus, and interactive elements like buttons and dialog boxes. Wearable UI design. Wearable UI design is used to describe the practice of creating user interfaces for wearable electronics. When designing wearable devices, UI developers need to keep in mind the device's small displays and limited input options. Virtual and augmented reality UI design. Virtual and augmented reality UI design. Designers of user interfaces for virtual reality and augmented reality must take into account the immersive nature of these technologies in order to make those interfaces usable and enjoyable for users.